this in, 1 cup. It's still not even full to the top, so probably need to put a little more actually. I put way too much. I think you put enough water of how much gel you want. So I want to do my whole head in the wash and go. So yeah, I probably put way too much flaxseed, but whatever. And I gotta do it slowly, I guess, because I'm gonna do little by little. Get a spoon, kind of move it around. Welcome back to another video. Hey, y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Avrel and this is Home with a Naturalista. So I am kind of doing part 2 of the first half of me making the flaxseed gel, homemade flaxseed gel. This is a very, very, very old technique, I guess, or DIY kind of video. This was originally, well, I seen it originally from Naturalista. I love her, love her, love her. And she originally, well, to me, as I said, she was the first that I've seen that she did a video about this. So as I said previously, I don't know how I'm gonna edit this video, but I'm just gonna say it just in case, that when my hair was shorter and I did just do the big chop, I was making my own gel with the flax seeds and some water. So I wanted to go ahead and test it out and see if my hair will still react to the gel the same way that it used to react to it when my hair was shorter. Because as we know, as your hair grows as a naturalista, it changes. So I just wanted to go ahead and try it out. I bought a bag of flax seeds and went ahead and made the gel. I had it in the refrigerator. So this is my hair, taking it out of the 2-strand twist that I had it in for about 2 days, as I said. I don't know if this thing is gonna spray. If it sprays, it'll be good. Probably not. Oh, is it open? It does spray, y'all. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start and try. The first part, I'm just gonna go ahead and talk, and as we go on, then I'll speed it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. Okay, get that thing wet, girl, wet, wet. So keep in mind, I already sprayed the aloe vera leave-in that I made into my hair. And now I'm gonna go ahead and spray the thing is with the flaxseed, it is messy. And I probably shouldn't have used it on the shirt. I mean, I probably shouldn't have put the shirt on, but let's see. Let's see, and I kind of shingle. Ooh. Ooh. Now the back of my hair curls much different from the front because I feel like it's because of my heat damage, although I chopped my hair off all the way. But here are the curls. Can you see that? There they go. First part. Now, see, this is my problem with the end, with the root. I need to get that thing at the root, girl. All right, let's take the other part and let's wet it. Y'all, I really hope this comes out good because I haven't had a real good wash and go in a while. And I want a successful wash and go to me is lasting for at least 3 to 4 days. And I haven't been that successful. So come through, flax seeds, come through. So I don't know how that looks. So I am back and I have completely, I could use a good amount of flaxseed gel in my hair. It's so sticky and everywhere, but I have to say I don't think the gloves made any difference. And I feel as though as it dries, it's shrinking obviously. So I'm probably gonna have to come back, put some oil in it because I feel as though it's gonna get stiff. Let me take the gloves off. As long as it's not crunchy, oh it's not, but it's not dried. So we'll see, I will come back once it's at least 80% dry, and then I may have to just blow dry the roots to kind of stretch it a bit. But this is the finished product of applying the Flaxseed DIY gel. See if you can see that. Hey guys, so my hair is about 40% dry. The roots are definitely not dry. The ends are getting there, but on camera it's looking like it's white for some reason. Well, oh, right there is white, but it's bringing off a white, more white on the camera than in person. So I don't know what that's about. But I went ahead and did my face, girl, because this quarantine, let me feel cute a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and get the blow dryer, and we're gonna go ahead and dry my roots so I can not have to worry about my hair anymore. I'm gonna start in the back. Just gonna kind of hold it up. Hold it up here. And do the other side. This is the part I don't like. And then I'm just gonna hold it. It's still wet, so. Just hold it. I think my roots are a bit drier than what they were before. So I'll say my hair is about 90% dry. Some of the ends are still a little wet, but for the most part it is dry. Oh, not this little patch right here. All right, so now for me, I don't like to use the blow dry too much to dry my hair any faster, because I do feel like that's what brings the frizz on, and it kind of take the curls out, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna come close up and show you guys. I have to spray some oil in it, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Let me pick it a little bit. Bigger hair is always better here. And I'm literally just doing the root because I don't want any more of the curls to come out. And I kind of just take the ends and do that. So I am happy with the results overall. It did something, and I didn't expect it to do anything because my hair has changed, I feel. But for the most part, I do have some form of curls. some, you know, it's not stiff like I thought it would be, but I do feel like I'm not happy with, it's not as defined as I would like for the first day. The way the results to me seem as though it's like a third day kind of hair. So I'm just gonna come a little closer to kind of show you guys. It does look white. I don't know why. I think it looks white, or maybe it's just, I'm gonna spin around. Whoop, I almost fell off the chair. Hopefully there's not no part for my perm rods. This is the results of me using the flaxseed gel.